Hey guys! Have you ever wished your Samsung home screen looked cleaner and more spacious without that row of favorite apps at the bottom? Well, today I'm going to show you how to hide the favorites dock completely and make your home screen look super minimal and fresh. Let's go. Alright, first things first, open up the Google Play Store and search for an app called FineLock. If your Samsung phone already has Good Lock, you can skip this step because they both work the same way. Once you've got FineLock or Good Lock installed, open it up and look for a module called Home Up. Go ahead and install that one too. Now, open the Home Up module and make sure it's enabled. After that, turn on the home screen option and tap it to go inside the settings. Here, you'll see an option called Show Favorites. By default, it's turned on, so just switch it off. And boom, the favorites dock at the bottom of your screen disappears instantly. And that's it. Now your Samsung home screen looks way more open, clean, and aesthetic. Perfect if you love that minimalist vibe. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends who loved customizing their phones too. See you in the next one.